says I installed this thing, but there's no way I installed this. There's no way. I don't do installations like this. So we're at a mobile home. Got a call for a 30-gallon installation. He said I installed it last time, but I don't recognize this place. So I don't know what he's talking about. I don't know, maybe my memory's getting bad. But yeah. Another ancient frozen gas line. So once I want to get it. So turn the gas off, turn the water off. Guy could have drained the water heater for me. Look at this. What is the point of a pan if it just still leaks beyond the pan? Yeah. Another nasty one. I don't know if you guys can see. So the ducting wasn't even connected.
Hey, boss. How you doing?
Hey, good. How are you?
Sorry about the mess.
It's okay. Yeah.
Any help?
No, I got a dolly. Yeah, I'm good. So I always, well, I doubt you can see anything, but I always sweat on a male MIP and do a flex line, so I don't have to do that for the hot, but looks like I'll have to do that for the cold, and then I flex line over, because there's just not enough room. I mean, look at this. I can't get in there with a torch with the sun in my face, so. Okay, there's the little plate. I always reattach these plates too. See this plate right here? That's supposed to hold the water heater. So yeah, got our work cut out for us today. Okay. Show you a little trick. I'm just dying to trip over that ladder. Oh, that's fucking shit. Right there. Okay, hopefully you caught that. It was pretty messy. No way you're not getting your feet wet. So I pulled the drain valve. Got lucky it didn't break off. Used a piece of PVC. It was under pretty much full pressure because I didn't have a vacuum because I broke the connection. Right, we're just killing time till the water heater drains. I tried to get the anode rod out. Could not get it out. And put a torch to it, which usually works. But that didn't work, so I have an inline anode rod over on this side. Pulled that out of a A.O.Smith. So that's where that little red cap came from. The water heater checks out. Had to do a ton of work on it. Somebody left it outside for like a couple years. So it just had a ton of leaves and spider webs and rust in the bottom, and it just took me hours this morning. I tested it last night, the tank, and then took me all morning to finish it. But it's a 30 gallon, and those are worth working on because I can charge more for a 30 gallon. They're just kind of rare. All right, I think this is empty. Great. Perfect. This is why I don't like mobile homes. They don't give you very much room. Oh yeah, my pipe's in the way. Yeah, it's gonna have to come out. Okay. Look at that, this thing's been patched in a couple times. Okay, how do we want to do this? Ready? Give you guys a shot of this. I think that went pretty well. Nasty. High likelihood of mouse poop up there. Give you the full tour. I don't think I can reuse that. I'm definitely not gonna reuse this. This I hate pants. Oh no. Oh no, I bent it. First thing the guy's gonna ask me why didn't you put the pan back in? No, you gotta have the pan. You gotta have the pan, buddy. Oh no, I didn't sign up for this. You gotta have the pan. So it's law, it's code. Oh yeah, we can't not have the pan. Yeah, you can. Yeah, I'm not trying to make pans work. Ever. So I got this really cool tool. It's called the Blue Monster, and I love it. So I broke the other one because I threw it in reverse. Low speed forward only. And it basically cleans copper pipe. Pretty nice. So they make those Blue Monsters, but they make them out of metal, which is what I want because I don't do very well with plastic. I break plastic. Well, I got my backup one. It's kind of crappy, but I don't know. Better than nothing. Try and show you, because I just broke my other one. I really like breaking those things. I'm very good at it. It's pretty much just for copper pipe. But that doesn't seem to resonate with me. Up in this creepy cubby hole. We're using this. Slice my arm up and it'll be a miracle. Deal. Where we got fun and games. So this solder is too hard to apply, so I'm just using my fingers and probably contaminating it, but we'll take that chance. I'm gonna attempt to film this, but I don't expect it to go very well. That is terrible. Burning my hand. It's very difficult to do. I think I got it though. Oh, I like that other side. Alright, let's test it. I fed it a lot of solder. So rather than chase it, I'm just going to test it and hope it works. So I took two seals from other extra supply lines that I had that looked good. This pipe is still really hot. Sorry about the camera angles. I'm sure you guys are probably not seeing a whole lot centered. I apologize. I just can't. It's very difficult to film like this. There's just not enough room. There's nowhere to set the camera. Barely any room for me. So hopefully you can see something, but I'm putting a supply line. There we go. Between these two sections. And then I'm going to test them out, see if they leak. There's a lot of things that could leak. My supply line could leak. My joints that I sweated could leak. The existing piping could leak. We don't know. We're gonna find out in a second. Looks pretty good. Oh yeah. Oh, we're good. We're golden. I got a good supply line and a good solder, I think. It's under some pretty high pressure, that's for sure. So yeah. Alright. It pays to be lucky. Oh my gosh, look right in my face. So you only need to put on about three turns, maybe 4 turns of Teflon tape. Any more and it'll just bind up and get pushed off the pipe. So you have a good idea. I'm not going to put any pipe dope on here. It's kind of overkill for this. God dang it, man. Why do I do this? Kind of work. Cold. This is hot. Just trying to get to all the difficult connections before the water heater goes in as much as possible. And these would be probably impossible for me to put on with the water heater in my way. It's impossible for me to do it with it not in my way. Hot and cold. Walk it up this thing. Slippery wrapper. Woo! Catching my breath. We're in a pickle here. The tall nipples in my way. Oh, why? Come on, dude. You, bane of my existence. Okay. I stand on this. Probably a really bad idea. So we want to get it out onto this thing.
Uh-huh.
Alright, so I gotta slide it out. There you go. You got it? Because I want to make sure this board doesn't come off that ledge.
If not, it's gonna hurt.
Whoa, okay.
Like that?
Yeah, exactly. So you don't want to hit that shower valve.
Oh. Okay.
So,
You know what I need? We need the let me get the top corner. Okay. Can you hold it? Like right here?
yeah, I got it.
Okay, let's do this. Let's do these. Let's do these. Do this over here.
Okay. I'll push from the bottom, you lift from the top? Yep. Okay, ready? I get it a little bit further. There we go. Okay, let me turn.
Wait, hold on my foot.
Alright. Let me turn it a little bit.
Okay.
Alright, can you lift up on it again while I push from the bottom? Because there's too much tension.
No, I need to hold on.
You can pull it towards you.
Yeah,
Just force it up as I push it in. Okay, ready? On three. 1, 2, 3. A little bit more. Perfect. Perfect, thank you.
Tight fit, huh?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, I gotta.
Look, see, it even blends in.
I gotta position it. So, thank you.
Sorry, my son. I don't know if I was help or not.
Yeah, I should have probably put a screw in that board. I was worried about that. I was standing on it before and I was gonna bring it out. And I'm like, I bet this whole thing comes down.
No, you'll be.
Okay. Now for the fun part. Stupid trick. For starters, I can't even reach this. Okay, so I don't think you're going to be able to see much, but he's gonna have to take my word for it on this. I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, we got it. She ain't pretty, but we got her in. So it's time to fill it up after we connect the gas line. Everything's just one of the odds is gas line rips. It's pretty good. I got pretty good odds. This gas line ripping on me, since they almost always do. Yes. Okay. Why? Man, my back is killing me. When that water heater got away from us on the platform, I basically was carrying that whole thing. I hate mobile homes. Just because of that. So the mobile home park is making him pull a permit. Finally got a good TMP going. Yay! Of course it's dripping. I was gonna run a drain line down here, but that's the drain pipe, and you can see I have no access to it. They plumb the copper right over it. Where's my TMP got a drip? Why? Why is it? Why? Alright. Stop dripping? Yeah, we're calling that stopped. Oh! Almost hit myself on the head. That's great. Alright. Oh, we got a good pilot light on this one. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's beautiful. The flame was really nice too. The flame's like 100% blue. I don't know why. I think it's maybe the burner plate or something was it was like aluminum instead of steel, so I'll show you here. So just got blue light. See if I can show you. That's a lot of red right there, but it was blue before. Oh, that's weird. Alright, it's going blue. Not as blue as we'd like, but we'll take it. Okay. What else can go wrong here? I didn't really have any major issues. We'll double check everything for leaks. So, oh great, my TMP's leaking. You knew that was going to happen. It almost always happens. It's like never fails. Oh no, I'm getting low on good ones. That's why I wanted to run the pipe down, so I could get any dripping water out of there. Maybe I gotta drill a hole in here and run a pipe down. Hide that. It's not terrible, but it's probably gonna get worse when the water heater gets hot. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good to me. Can't see it from my house. Reuse those supply lines. I just put good seals in all 4 of them. So I see a tiny little drop right there. It's a tiny little. There's the hint of a drop. I'll tighten that down. I'm sure it'll blow up on me. I shouldn't have touched it. Don't ever touch anything. I should have learned from that TMP the other day. I did this job and I got this water heater working, and water was kind of cascading out of the TMP a little bit, so I went to tighten it and it just started shooting everywhere. Like, never touch them. Just don't touch it. No backdrafting. Like that, yeah. But the sucker still kind of, this guy just doesn't want to. This guy right here. This is a problem. Let's see what I can do about it. PVC to the rescue. I need a ladder. When in doubt. Oh God, that's miserable. It's miserable right there. Yay! I didn't hit any pipes. It's a good day right there. What the? I need to cut it. Come down. Get in there. Oh, I can finish. I can finish tightening it now. That's good. That's a good thing. I think it stopped dripping anyway. We're finished. I don't see any water. I smell glue. Smells much better than the mildew that was in here. Yeah. I'm gonna call this job finished. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you like content like this. I got a lot of installs coming up. For sure. Got another one tomorrow. Also got a lot of tips and tricks for water heaters. and service calls. So yeah, this was a water heater that I picked up. Someone had clearly left it outside, and I could just tell whenever there's a lot of leaves on them, that means the tank's probably not leaking, it's just broken. And they eventually give up on it and dump it, and then I take it back and give it a second life. So that's what it's doing right now. It's a 30-gallon Ream Performance from 2016. I charge $100 for the water heater, and I'm going to try and get $185 to install. Ouch. Anyway, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And we will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys. Have a good night.